to our YouTube channel. So as you can see in here, we have something that we want to share with you because we are going to open these amazing toys, super cool trains.
It's a battery-powered Fun Express
train. So let's see what's inside.
Wow, this is cool.
It's super cool.
Wait, let's see. Does it work? Is it battery-powered?
Wow, super
Wow,
fast.
that's quick. And look, these turn.
So you're gonna show us. Oh no, it's gonna
Turns, this turns.
Oh, super cool. And it goes on the tunnel. Yes. So let's see what do we have next. Oh,
Oh, wow.
oh, that's super cool. Battery power.
Diesel engine.
Diesel. Oh.
Let's check what's in here.
And it seems like a very good color. Wow.
Whoa,
It's like an orange, yellowish.
Yeah, so here it tells you what you need to do.
So, yeah. And this is the way it works.
Oh wow, even an on and off mode.
Yeah, super cool. Wow.
Ooh, wow.
Looks super. Wow. Go
And the
forward,
light
backward.
is so cool. Look at the light.
Wow, very strong.
Yeah. Okay,
Bye bye, the train. Here we go. Here comes the train. Here comes the train. Ooh, so we got another one. Express train.
This looks cool.
Yeah, it is awesome. So let's see how express it is. If it's really express or not. So here comes the express train.
Wow. This front bit looks like an engine.
Yeah.
Main engine.
It looks like what's your favorite train? The one in Japan. Torpedo, bullet train. No? Okay. So maglev. Oh no, bullet train more or less. You know, like an engine with a power
Oh,
engine.
that's not the same as the other one.
Forward. Yeah, let's put it on the rail to
Okay,
see.
let's check.
Let's check. Wow! It goes super fast, definitely. Wow, we're gonna see if our trains, see if they're gonna be able to keep up.
Last one.
Oh
That
no, we got another one.
Oh, it can even carry some water.
We can put
Oh,
water.
this.
Oh,
And also battery power.
it is freight
That
train.
looks cool.
Ah, it is. I think that we got a very good options or choice in there. So let's see what's gonna happen. Let's take a look. Wow.
Oh, look, it even moves when you
It doesn't move. Oh, awesome. Look at this.
Look at this. Well, let's try water. Let's try.
Oh, can you put water inside?
Wait.
Wow, let's see. That looks like in the laboratory, you know, in the lab when you mix things. Oh, next time we can mix like different colors. What do you think?
Or we can put food coloring into the water.
Yeah, and then make it glow. And maybe we could make like a glow in the dark.
Yeah,
What do you
we
think?
could put some like
Glow.
maybe if there's some glow. Yeah, glow.
Yeah.
Look, some curry.
Super cool. We put our own water inside and let's see on the rail how does it go. Let's put on this rail.
Okay.
Yes, oh no, it goes straight to the train washer.
Maybe it wants a water.
Yeah, I'm glad it changed. Fantastic, looks cool. And it's super fast. Whoa! The other part didn't go. Call it back, call it back, call it back. We need to do it again. And we're going to try again. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh no! It can't fit. That was the problem. Okay, so I guess we're not gonna be able to use this part on this side of the rail, but
We
let's.
can use it on the other.
What about if we try on the spiral?
Okay.
I think that would be cool. Let's see.
Hopefully it's powerful enough.
Exactly. Okay, I guess we are ready to test it on the spiral. Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It can go there.
Yes, super cool.
Here.
And put the other train, the one that rotates. That would be cool to see. Oh, that's our most popular one.
Here.
Yeah. Oh, it got stuck. Super cool. Yeah. Very good. I think we made a very good choice. Wow, here comes this one, the red one. Hey, there, fast.
I think in the next video we can
I just put the track behind. Wow, the track cannot stand the chest. Wow, I like this one because it rotates. Oh no, it's gonna get stuck. Oh, we better make these trains to go.
Oh no! Another train coming!
Wow, oh look.
They're having a crash!
Oh, the train crashed. Here comes another one. Hurry up, hurry up. Oh, super cool. Look at this.
Yeah!
Yes, just on time. They're super fast. Look at the bullet train. How fast it's going. Wow, look at this one. It's almost, look. Wow.
Oh, it's going up the spiral now!
Yes, look how fast it's going. Wow,
That must be powerful!
very powerful. Oh, look at the bullet one. Or the engine.
None of these
Oh, he's gonna. Oh, wow, he was ever. He's gonna. Oh, oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that one!
Look at this one.
Ooh. It's turning into the truck.
Oh, yeah. Let's make it a track. Let's make it a track of the.
What's cool about this is we can attach stuff in front.
Yeah, that's super cool. Oh no, it's gonna catch up. Oh, look. Look how fast it is going.
This one lost its carriage. Do we think it's gonna be fun to put Thomas on?
Yes, I think that would be.
Okay,
That
so
is
we
just
can
about time to
swap
add
this.
Thomas on it.
And add Thomas to all of them. I've got Stefan.
You got Stefan, so super cool.
I've got Percy.
You got Percy, and then let's see
This
on the.
one has Thomas.
Thomas going with the blue. Blue goes with the blue.
Yeah.
That blue
And
the red one. We
red.
got the red one there.
with Victor. It's coming. It's coming.
And let's make it even more special. So we're gonna use also our
Wait, what about if we swap these
oh,
to make it look
color. What color?
fun?
Color conjunction. No, but we can look.
Okay,
We can
no,
put in here. I want to use this one. You know
Okay.
this one is super cool.
Yeah,
Okay, what we can
but-
use? We can use. Where is the part that rotates for the trains? Oh yes, you put this one. So now I know you all in a rush. But what we're gonna do? We're gonna show how the Brio is gonna go on the washing. Yeah, so we're gonna change the track.
Oh no, it's a bit too early. I need to start from about here, and then it will realize the signal.
Okay, capture the signal. No. Okay. Oh no, it just went through.
Maybe
Embarrassing.
there's not much back.
Yeah, let's try the other.
Let's try another.
This one maybe is going to do a better job. Let's see.
So three,
That one's
two,
fine.
one.
Go. Yeah, you capture the
Yes,
signal.
this has captured it.
Super cool. That is the way they.
That's it.
That's the way it's supposed to be done.
And then we set it up.
And look what's going to happen in here. We're gonna lift it up. Oh
Is it not gonna crack?
no, it's just stop on time.
Wow, that's lucky.
And super cool. Let's see the part that rotates. It goes on the station. Okay, here we go. The Brio is going on the spiral. So what's next one to go? Oh, that's super cool. It's going fast. It looks like a race. Yeah, wow. That is super quick. Wow, that is gonna go on the bridge now. Oh, look at it.
Oh, the bullet's going with it. The bullet's following it. Oh, look, it's really there on the page.
You see think so?
Yeah. Almost as good as that.
Wow, almost gonna take it. Oh, wow. Oh.
Maybe it's just two.
Wow. Oh, look.
Why don't we make all of them up?
Okay, next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna make all of the trains to go on fire because here it looks confused and we don't have a good operator. All these operators are kind of like a lazy operator. So we're gonna make all of them to go on fire to make it even more exciting. So I hope you're gonna enjoy to see this part because we are excited to see all of them and then we're gonna see. Maybe we put the fastest one in front and the slowest one.
Yeah. Okay, so this is definitely the fastest. And then it's this boost.
Okay. One more Thomas. Thomas.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ah.
3, 2, 1,
Go! Super cool. Super cool. Oh, and now I know. Here's the operator. He was sleeping. Now I wonder why.
Oh wow, that's fantastic.
That is super cool. Look at the distance.
Wow, this is by far the quickest.
Definitely. I think that's the fastest train that we have now.
Yeah.
Wow, look at Thomas.
Oh no, my train's coming, and it's already the slowest, and it's going to hell.
Yeah. Oh no, and now that one got stuck. Let's see if he's gonna be able to catch up. He's gonna go in the tunnel. Operator, thank you, operator. Oh no. Oh. Oh.
And that one.
And they're right to their destination. So that was a quick and short, fun and exciting video that we just made. Hope you enjoy to see the introduction to our brand new trains that are going to be on our new collection. So we really, oh yeah, now you put the operator in the right place. Fantastic. So as you can see, our train collection are growing. So we would like to share with you a little bit of our collection. And so yeah, so as you can see, it's growing and it's getting more fun. And we got the little man in here. He's watching us. Let's see. What did he say? Hello.
Could you subscribe to channel? Leave a comment if you can.
And thumbs up. Thank you for watching our video and
a bell.
yeah, ring the bell. Bling dong, boom boom boom. Thank you for watching. So I hope you enjoyed this cool and fun video. So that is the railway that we just built with a little bit of two-sides railway. That was fun. So whoa, hip hip, hip hip. Cool, amazing. Thank you for watching. So here's our studio and it's fun. So we would like to show you a bit of behind the studio, and it looks a little bit busy. As you can see, this is the way we build our studio, our lights, and then we do our video all inside.